I wonder how to disassemble and assemble the system unit.
Worry not, because now we're going to show you how to assemble and disassemble a system unit. Let's go! Hey everyone, this is Alex, and today I will be guiding you through a step-by-step disassembly of a system unit. This right here is the PC that we will be working on. So, let's get started! Before shutting down your computer, make sure that you close all the applications that you have opened or the games that you have opened. Then, press the Windows key. Look for the power icon. And then, shut down. And that's how you properly shut down your computer. Next, let's make sure that you turn off the power supply. Next, we're going to unplug the power cable. Now, we will be disconnecting all the peripherals. First, let's start with the power supply cable. Next is the mouse. The keyboard. Next is the Ethernet cable. And lastly, let's disconnect the monitor. Next thing to do is to move the system unit to a flat, clean surface. Now, these are the tools that we will be needing in order to perform the assembling and disassembling of the system unit. First, we will be needing a Phillips screwdriver. Second, we will be needing an anti-static gloves, or if you have, you can wear an anti-static wristband. Alright, before sliding off the panel, let's carefully lay the system unit down on a flat surface. Now, it's time to crack it open. Most cases have thumb screw at the back. We're going to unscrew it. Now, let's slide it off. Before removing all the cables, we must first wear an anti-static gloves. Now, we will be disconnecting all the cables. We will start with the largest power cable, which is the 24-pin ATX cable that connects the power supply to the motherboard. Next, we're going to pull out the 4-pin CPU power cable. Press the latch and carefully remove the cable. Next is the SATA 1 and SATA 2 cable, which is connected to the motherboard and to the HDD and SSD. Now, remove the power button cable. Next, we're going to remove the USB cable and the SD cable. And lastly, let's remove the optical disc cable. Now that we successfully remove all the cables, we are going to remove the power supply. To remove the power supply, we will be needing a Phillips screwdriver. Now, let's start to unscrew. Now that we successfully unscrewed the power supply, we are going to carefully remove it. Since we will be removing the optical disc, we must first open the front panel. And to open the front panel, we must gently press this clip inward and then push the front panel forward. And then, now that the front panel is open, gently slide the optical disc. Then, gently place the optical disc beside the power supply. Next, let's take out the storage case box, which holds the HDD and the SSD. As you can see, it is already unplugged. So, let's just use a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew it. Now, let's take out the screw and place it safely with the other screws. Now, let's take out the storage case. And then, gently place it beside the optical disc. Now, let's remove the power button cable. Gently pull out the cable. Then, gently place it on the table. Next, let's unscrew the SD card slot cable using a Phillips screwdriver. Take the screw and place it carefully with the others. Then, gently detach the SD card slot cable. Carefully pull out the SD card cable. Then, place it on the table carefully. Next, let's unscrew the 3mm headphone jack and the USB slot cable using the Phillips screwdriver. To remove the graphics card, unclamp the retention bracket, press the small latch on the motherboard, and gently pull out the graphics card. Now that we successfully removed the graphics card, place it on the table. Last but not the least, we are going to remove the motherboard. To remove the motherboard, we will be needing a tool, which is a Phillips screwdriver. Now, we are going to remove or unscrew the mounting screws in the motherboard. Now, let's gently take out the motherboard. And that's it. We are done disassembling our system unit.
First, let's put the motherboard back to its place. Now, make sure to put it in the right place. Now, let's use the Phillips screwdriver to screw the motherboard. Make sure to screw it tightly. Now we're done with the motherboard. Let's put back the graphics card. Unclamp the retention clip. Slide the graphics card. Okay. And insert into the PCIe slot. Push it down until it clicks. Now, let's insert the RAM stick into the motherboard. To put it properly, you must put it in the 2A first. Make sure it's aligned on this. Okay. Carefully push it until it clicks. There. Second slot is here. The 2B. Last one. And slot 3. Last one in the slot 3. Okay. We have successfully installed the RAM sticks. Now let's proceed installing the USB and the 3mm headphone jack slots. Now, let's locate the USB header, which is called the USB 1 and USB 2. It locates right here. Now, insert these cables into the front panel. Make sure you put it in properly. Then locate the USB make sure you arrange it properly with the wires. That's very important. Okay, now it says here USB. So the USB one, it locates here. So you should carefully push because the pin might dent. Okay, now the second cable, it says the HD audio. So the HD audio, the header is located here. It says F audio. Okay, place like this. Just a second. Make sure the pins did not get bent. Now, screw the slots in place. The SD card slots, we can put it in the USB 3 header, which is located in here, the yellow one. Now, place it in the front panel, insert the cable, and make sure you put it properly. Make sure to arrange it properly. The wire, the cables. Put in the pin. Make sure to push it gently so that it won't dent the pins. Now screw the SD card in place. Now, let's proceed installing the HDD or the hard disk. My hard disk is in the case, so it's already arranged. Now, screw the case in place. Now, we're done installing the HDDs. Let's proceed to the power supply. You just gently push. That's it. Now we have successfully installed the power supply. Now, let's connect all the cables to the specific connection. This 24 pin is connected here. Make sure it properly pushed, connected. Then the 4 pins for the CPU. Now it's locked. And this for the optical disk drive. And this for the hard disk, the HDD and the SSD. closed. Now all the components are connected and the connections are secured. Slide the panel back onto the case. Now screw it on place. Now, let's put the system unit back to the computer table. Now, let's connect all the peripherals back to its place. Let's start with the power supply cable. Next is the USB cables, which is the USB mouse and the USB keyboard. Next is the Ethernet cable for the internet. Next is the monitor, which is the VGA. Now, plug the power cable. Now, let's try to turn on the PC. Now, let's push the button. Yay! We have successfully turned on the PC.